Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Real quick reminder, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through mainly, one main question, and based on how you answer that question, that's going to dictate the current status of the chart. No matter when you're actually watching this. Now, to quickly state the obvious and make a point that I think we can all agree on, cryptos across the board, Ethereum, also have made a very nice move. I mean, from where the price was over the weekend to now all of a sudden where the price is right now, I think any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a good move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question and answering the question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around right here at $94. Why is 94 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements that do have true power, that do have genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine strength, it's not going to go back to where it was. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about the $94 mark. If the price were to go down there and drop below it, but not necessarily drop below it, but just continue to separate to the downside, what would you have at that point in time? You would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do going forward. It's going to make progress forward. So whether you're watching this video 5, 15, or 20 hours from now, the question you need to be figuring out is the price still making progress? And that's why if you're watching this, ask yourself immediately, where's the price at relative to 94? So we'll just go with 24 hours, or excuse me, 20 hours. We'll say if you're watching this video 20 hours from now and you're answering the question that the price is still up above 94, well, then that tells you that progress is still possible. So, I mean, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. Point being, as long as that stair step has an opportunity to be built, then the bulls are in full control. Now, a little bit of common sense and gut instincts comes into play. If you're watching this video, like I said, 20 hours from now, and the price is up at, 105, well, that tells you that not only does this movement here that we're talking about have power, but that power has gained that much more momentum and that much more strength. But overall, like I said, the main question going forward is, can the price start to make progress? So whenever you're watching this, just ask yourself, where's the price relative to 94? And that's going to be a very revealing level. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.